about 10 reasons to drink rosemary tea. Here's the rosemary tea every single day. So, is it true that rosemary can help reduce hair loss? Is it true that rosemary can help with fatty liver? Is it true that rosemary can improve your gut health? Well, all these questions will be answered today. You can't lose, and you've got nothing to lose by waiting. So stick around till the end to learn a lot about rosemary and how to use it in your life, plus the benefits to expect when you introduce this new habit into your routine. Hey, tell me where in Brazil or the world you're watching from. Do you like rosemary? Chat or comment. I want to know you better. Say hi, I'm talking to you. Aren't you going to answer? Come on, December. Why are you ignoring me like this? Write it in the chat or comments. Folks, rosemary, scientifically, Rosmarinus officinalis is an aromatic plant used in cooking and has medicinal properties. Let's explore the benefits of this fragrant herb. I'll even take a whiff here. The scent of rosemary is amazing. When we use rosemary in food or in the oven, its aroma fills the entire space. Besides smelling great, it's good for your health. I've listed the top 10 benefits, okay? So hit that like button, because you know, on Dr. Joao's channel, we get straight to the point. Oh, doctor, your video is too long. It's long because I explain things. Some topics need more time. Do this, like the video, so it can reach others. So when you like this video, you're helping someone else access the 10 benefits of rosemary. By liking, you're actually helping another person. You'll help someone enjoy rosemary's 10th benefit, improved circulation. When you like this video, you're miraculously improving a stranger's circulation. Isn't that reason enough to hit that like button? If not, you might be on the wrong channel and seeing life incorrectly. Leave a like and help us go viral. Our goal is 10K likes. Let's double it, okay? The 10th benefit of rosemary is improved circulation, as it's rich in rosmarinic and caffeic acids, which have vasodilatory properties that help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow and circulation. Think about it. If your artery is narrow or closed, leaving little space for blood flow, what happens? Your circulation suffers. But if your artery is relaxed and dilated, what then? Blood flows more easily, reducing circulation issues. So drinking rosemary tea daily can boost your circulation. Benefit 9. It helps detox your body with antioxidants like carnosol and flavonoids like apigenin. These fight free radicals and oxidative stress, combating damage from free radicals, which cause many health issues like high blood pressure and diabetes, as well as circulation problems. So inflammation and free radicals are directly linked to various diseases, from high blood pressure to cancer. Rosemary tea can also help you combat oxidative stress. The 8th benefit is its antimicrobial properties, which can protect you from infections. Rosemary contains 2 substances with strong antimicrobial properties, cineol and borneol. Rosemary can help fight fungi, bacteria, and viruses. The 7th benefit of rosemary tea is that it's good for your liver health. If you have fatty liver, rosemary tea can be a great ally in fighting this condition. It contains rosmarinic acid and carnosine, which boost liver bile production and excretion. This improves liver function and enhances the body's detoxification process. It improves liver function and optimizes the body's detox process. Rosemary tea protects your liver. The 6th benefit is that it helps control blood sugar. Rosemary can improve blood sugar control in diabetics and pre-diabetics by increasing insulin sensitivity. The 5th benefit of rosemary tea is that it supports eye health, as it's a source of lutein, which we've discussed before about its importance for vision. It's a substance we don't produce, so we need to get it from our diet. It's also rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, also crucial for the health of our eyes. Vitamin A benefits your eyes, and both lutein and beta-carotene help protect your eyes from sun damage, while also preventing premature aging of eye structures, thus preventing age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness today. The 4th benefit of rosemary is its anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces inflammation, mainly due to rosmarinic acid, helping to alleviate joint pain, improve inflammatory bowel issues, and combat inflammation from viral infections, for instance. Third, rosemary tea supports gut health with antioxidants that protect the intestinal lining and reduce oxidative stress in the area. Benefit number 2 of rosemary tea is that it's great for skin and hair. It has stimulating properties for both the scalp and skin. So what does it do for the scalp? Obviously, the tea isn't as potent as using rosemary essential oil directly on the scalp, which is the ideal treatment for hair loss and alopecia. On the scalp, rosemary improves circulation and promotes hair growth, similar to minoxidil. Lastly, folks, before I mention the final rosemary benefit, please subscribe to our channel. Only 10% of our regular viewers are subscribed. This means millions watch our videos repeatedly each week but don't subscribe. Sometimes they don't know how, sometimes they just don't want to. Worried someone might bug you, like a telemarketer calling, or someone trying to sell you something like health insurance or funeral plans? Don't worry, that won't happen. No one will call you if you subscribe here, okay? So feel free to click below without any fear, because you've got nothing to lose by subscribing to our channel. You'll always be the first to know about the best health info, especially if you also hit the notification bell to catch all our content. Our first benefit of rosemary tea is that it's great for our cognitive function. Just the scent of rosemary can boost your memory and improve your focus, folks. Inhaling the oil or vapors from the tea can positively stimulate your central nervous system. It's pointless to think a cup of rosemary tea will solve all our problems, because that's not going to happen. Don't fool yourself into thinking a cup of rosemary is the solution to all your problems, because it's not. Look, if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, if you're overweight, want to eat better, or want to exercise more, if you want to live better with more energy and vitality, you need to read my book, The Longevity Code, 100 Habits to Live 200 Years. So go ahead, click the first link in the description and get your longevity code now.